It's your boy JP from JP's Fitness and Adventure. I'm live here at a beautiful waterfall in the San Gabriel Valley. Follow my page for more hiking and fitness tips. Stay tuned.